button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Alright y'all, so in today's video we got this billet lower grill for the Scion that my son bought me for my birthday. I didn't want the top grill because I'm gonna be doing the black covers for the headlights and for the grills, but can't find no information on how to put this on except for the directions, so I guess we'll figure this out together. Alright, so let me explain what I just did. Basically, you're going to put the grill in on top of the original grill. And once it's in, you would put one of these to just hold it. This will lock it into the back of the original grill. And then you just run this little 10mm nut on the back of it. It does scratch a little bit because it's a tight fit, but for the most part that's how it looks. And you don't have to tighten it tight. You just, because eventually if you tighten it tight, all it's going to do is just pull the grill out like that. So just get it to where it's snug and it ain't gonna come off. It's a real tight fit. So I'll move to the top part. And I believe I'm gonna have to take the grill off because I don't think I can get to the back of it. Excuse me, not take the grill off, take the bumper off. So we'll figure this out. We'll get to it. Alright, that's gonna be it for this little install. I can't get that awkward gap out the middle of the top one, well the middle one, because I'm not gonna do the top. But this awkward gap right here, I can't get it out. I've tried everything. I'll sit here and play with it some more, and I'll see what I can come up with. I don't know why it looks like they're bending, but I guess it's how it's made. But that's it for this install, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.